Hello, friends. Welcome to episode 6 of Stock Market Technical Analysis. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. As of now, in the playlist Stock Market Technical Analysis, we have covered these topics. Make sure you go watch them before you watch this so that your understanding becomes easier and simpler. I'm leaving a link here to the playlist. In episode 5, we spoke about Introduction to Candlestick, and I told that we'll be getting more in depth into single candlesticks and what kind of information they give. Today's video is about that. We're going to be talking about candle Marubozu. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's a Japanese name and which can be considered to be the most dominant candle that there is. Make sure you pay close attention to understand how a Marubozu is formed and what it means. We'll be talking about the theoretical part and then I'll be showing you how it performs on charts. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Don't skip anything so that you don't miss out on any of the information provided from me. So let's get started. So what you see on your screen is a typical Marubozu candle. There are two colors, green color and red color. So we'll now break down what Marubozu itself is. Alright. As we spoke about the open high low close concept in the previous episode, here a Marubozu candle, a green color. Here if you see this, the open and low are the same for a green color candle, whereas close and high are almost the same. There is no wick to this candle. You take any time frame. If this candle is formed in 5 minutes, what happened is the first minute it opened and did not go lower than the open. It started driving upwards. And at the end of the 5th minute, where it closed, is the high of that 5 minutes as well. This shows the dominance of buyers in that particular 5 minutes. So the buyers were in total control. They did not let the prices fall anywhere lower, nor could the sellers push the price lower when it started moving up. The same concept is with the red color Marubozu candle, which is the bearish Marubozu candle. Here, the high and open are the same. The prices started falling down. When the candle ended, the close and low were the same. This shows the dominance of sellers during that particular time frame. The sellers started pushing the prices down, whereas the buyers could not hold the prices or push the prices back up. So this shows dominance of the sellers. I hope this is clear. The open and low for a green color candle are the same, whereas close and high are the same for the green color candle. Whereas open high are almost same, whereas low close is almost same for bearish Marubozu. Now let's take into consideration how these perform on chart. So the green color Marubozu, if you see this candle here, that is a green color Marubozu which is formed on 5-minute time frame. Did you see how the prices were driven up? Yeah. Never consider only a single candle to make any decisions. As we progress, we are going to be covering the different aspects of technical analysis, which all together will form an aspect or your precise entry or exit points. These are small initiations which you need to keep in mind, but not make entries based on only this. As a trader, we consider a lot of things which we will be covering as time passes. So open low, high close. Do you see a very small wick? It can still be considered a Marubozu itself. After that, it tried to test. The buyers still pushed the market up. And this is what the whole trend line was. Whereas red color Marubozu, if you see here, the open and high are the same, whereas the low and close are the same. The prices were pushed down continuously. Again, I'm repeating, do not take any positions just based on a single candle. This is for understanding purposes. There are a lot of other factors which help you understand your entries and exit points. So I hope today's candlestick analysis, where we spoke about Marubozu candle, is clear and you have understood how sellers or buyers are in complete control over this candle. Green color candle is a bullish Marubozu where buyers are in control. Red color is the bearish Marubozu where sellers are in control. Try to look at these in the real-time scenarios and understand how they are actually playing out. So this will give you practical understanding. I've covered the theoretical part. I've shown you on charts also how they perform. So the whole concept of candlestick is what information it provides and what you understand from it. How you're going to use that information is completely up to you. Every individual has a different perspective when they look at charts. That's why some people make profits, some people make losses. So all I try to do is provide the information which will make it easier for new people or people who are already in the trading field to understand the depth of every candle. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Do comment your learnings in the comment section. Share this video as much as possible. This is my only request so that I can reach more people and educate from my end. Do subscribe to Mostly Bearish. These are the playlists we are covering, and today we have covered Marubozu candlestick. So thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time.